Are you tired of leads slipping through the cracks and costing you deals? Let's get your follow-up posts organized for maximum sales efficiency in under 90 seconds. First, let's tackle lead sources. Click on Admin, then Lead Flow here. Create distinct sources for each platform like Zillow, Realtor.com, or your website. Color code them for easy visual identification in your lead inbox. Next up, tags. Tags are your best friend. Develop a tagging system for lead stage. Think new lead, contacted, appointment set, under contract, and closed. Also, consider tagging by property type, price range, or client interest. Now, leverage those tags with smart filters. Click the filter icon here. You can create saved views for specific segments. For example, a view for all appointment set leads from Zillow. This lets you focus on high-priority leads instantly. Don't forget tasks and notes. After each interaction, log detailed notes about the conversation and set specific, actionable tasks with due dates. This ensures no lead is forgotten and every follow-up is timely. Finally, integrate your calendar. Sync your Google or Outlook calendar to follow-up posts. This keeps your appointments and tasks aligned, preventing double booking and missed opportunities. By implementing these simple yet powerful strategies, you'll transform your follow-up posts from a source of overwhelm into a well-oiled lead management machine. Now get out there and convert those leads. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.